Hello everyone. Before diving into today's topic, we want to take a moment to thank you for your support. Every like, comment, and subscription truly makes a difference and helps this channel grow. If you enjoy our content and don't want to miss our upcoming videos, subscribe to the channel and activate the notification bell to receive all updates. The EOS project is revolutionizing the search for intelligent life in the universe, focusing on the detection of Dyson spheres in space. Funded by the Swedish government, this ambitious program not only considers the existence of these extraterrestrial megastructures possible but also aims to identify them using sophisticated observation instruments. Dyson spheres, theorized by physicist Freeman Dyson, would be immense power stations built by advanced civilizations to capture a star's energy and harness it on an interplanetary scale. EOS could soon bring us closer to the first contact with an extraterrestrial species. Recent astronomical observations have revealed anomalies in the light emitted by some distant stars, suggesting the possible presence of artificial structures. These findings make Dyson spheres much more than a mere theoretical hypothesis. They could be a tangible reality in our universe. If confirmed, these megastructures would testify to the existence of civilizations advanced enough to have surpassed reliance on fossil fuels and nuclear energy, instead directly harnessing the energy of stars and potentially even entire galaxies. The EOS project is Sweden's first initiative dedicated to the search for extraterrestrial technosignatures. Its name is inspired by Eos, the Greek goddess of dawn, symbolizing a new beginning in our understanding of the universe. The primary goal of the scientists involved is to detect signs of megastructures on an astronomical scale, with a particular focus on Dyson spheres, as their infrared signature would be visible even at great distances. The project relies on an international network of observatories, including the James Webb Space Telescope, the Wide Field Infrared Survey Explorer, and the Swedish Astra mission, specifically designed to search for thermal anomalies in deep space. Beyond its collaboration with leading astronomical observatories, EOS has established partnerships with research institutes in Europe and North America, including the European Southern Observatory, ESO, and the SETI Institute. These partnerships enable shared access to advanced data and cutting-edge technologies, significantly increasing the chances of detection. Additionally, the International Astronomical Union, IAU, is evaluating the standardization of protocols for analyzing potential infrared signatures attributable to extraterrestrial megastructures. One of the most innovative aspects of the EOS project is the integration of artificial intelligence and machine learning into data analysis processes. Advanced algorithms are used to filter cosmic noise and distinguish artificial signals from natural phenomena. This approach has already led to the identification of 7 candidates with thermal anomalies consistent with the presence of megastructures, an achievement that has sparked scientific debate about the potential implications of such discoveries. The realization of this project not only highlights the growing scientific interest in the exploration of extraterrestrial intelligence but also demonstrates humanity's desire to expand its understanding of the universe and potentially make contact with other civilizations. According to the Kardashev Scale, a civilization capable of building a Dyson sphere would belong to at least type 2 or 3, while humanity has not yet reached even the first level. The possibility of identifying and even communicating with such an advanced civilization opens up extraordinary scenarios. Contact with superior beings could accelerate our technological development and offer solutions to global issues such as the energy crisis or climate change. American researcher Laura Mersini-Houghton has hypothesized that thousands of intelligent civilizations may exist in space, but our location in an isolated region of the universe could explain the lack of contact. Similarly, statistical studies suggest that at least 36 advanced civilizations could exist within the Milky Way alone, and considering the countless galaxies in the observable universe, the total number could be in the thousands. The search for Dyson spheres could finally provide concrete evidence of their existence. The data collected so far is exciting. By examining a sample of over 5 million stars, scientists have identified 7 candidates with thermal anomalies consistent with the presence of megastructures. These stars, mostly red dwarfs, emit an excess of infrared radiation, a phenomenon consistent with the Dyson sphere theory. Traditionally, the search for extraterrestrial intelligence has been based on radio signals, but today, infrared telescopes such as the Wide-Field Infrared Survey Explorer, Gaia, and TESS have become key instruments in detecting possible traces of alien engineering. A Dyson sphere would block part of its star's visible light, releasing the absorbed energy as thermal radiation. However, scientists do not rule out that some anomalies could stem from still unknown natural phenomena, such as the presence of exocomets or particular interstellar dust. Dyson spheres can take various forms. The classic version, the Dyson shell, is a hollow sphere that completely surrounds a star, collecting its energy through solar panels. However, this structure would be extremely unstable and vulnerable to impacts from meteoroids and space debris. A more plausible variant is the Dyson swarm, a fleet of billions of solar satellites orbiting the star, converting its light into energy transmitted via microwaves or lasers. Another option is the Dyson bubble, consisting of ultralight solar panels that reflect light toward collection stations. Recent simulations suggest that such megastructures could even evolve into more complex systems, capable of expanding autonomously using materials from their host star system. The search for Dyson spheres represents one of the most fascinating challenges of modern astronomy. If confirmed, their existence would revolutionize our understanding of the cosmos and provide crucial clues about the presence of advanced civilizations. The EOS project continues to analyze new data and refine its detection methods, bringing us ever closer to answering one of humanity's deepest questions. Are we truly alone in the universe? Some researchers even suggest that in the future, we might attempt to send signals to these anomalous systems in an effort to establish first interstellar contact. The possibility of communicating with an advanced civilization remains one of the most exciting prospects in space exploration. Thank you for watching, and if you enjoyed the video, subscribe to the channel so you don't miss upcoming content.